Is the Property and Casualty exam open book? Welcome to the quiz. Describe vicarious liability. Is it A, responsibility for actions of another person, e.g., an employee? Or B, liability for intentional acts? C, direct negligence of the insured? Or D, product liability only? The answer is A. Vicarious liability is the legal responsibility imposed on one person, usually an employer, for the wrongful acts or negligence of another person, usually an employee or agent, when those acts occur within the scope of employment or authority. It is not liability for intentional acts, which may be excluded. It is not direct negligence of the insured. It is not limited to product liability. Because vicarious liability holds one party responsible for another's actions, this is correct. Next question. When is a business owner's policy appropriate? Is it A, small to medium-sized businesses? Or B, large multinational corporations? C, professional services only? Or D, nonprofits exclusively? The answer is A business owner's policy, BP, is a simplified package designed for small to medium-sized businesses with lower risk profiles, combining property, liability, and business income. Large corporations use individual commercial lines. Professionals and nonprofits often require specialized forms. Because BP suits small/medium businesses, this is correct. Next question. Define concurrent causation. Is it A, loss caused by multiple perils, one covered and one excluded? Or B, only one cause of loss? C, a clause that expands coverage? Or D, method of premium calculation? The answer is A. Concurrent causation occurs when a loss is caused by two or more independent perils acting simultaneously, one covered and one excluded, and the policy may still provide coverage if the covered peril is a substantial factor, depending on state law and policy wording. Single cause is not concurrent. It is not a clause or premium method. Because it involves multiple causes with one excluded, this is correct. Next question. What does permission to occupy imply in a homeowner's policy? Is it A, an insured has the right to use the premises? Or B, a tenant has no insurable interest? C, the mortgagee owns the property? Or D, the insurer can inspect at any time? The answer is A. Permission to occupy in a homeowner's policy implies that the insured has the right to use and occupy the premises as their residence, and coverage is contingent on the property being occupied by the insured or with their permission. Tenants may have insurable interest. Mortgagee has interest but does not own. Insurer inspection rights are separate. Because permission to occupy affirms the insured's right to use the home, this is correct. Next question. What is the purpose of a certificate of insurance? Is it A, provides evidence of insurance but is not a policy? Or B, amends the policy? C, guarantees coverage for certificate holder? Or D, replaces the declarations page? The answer is A. A certificate of insurance is a document that verifies the existence of insurance coverage, showing policy number, limits, effective dates, and named insured, but it is not a contract, does not amend the policy, does not guarantee coverage to the certificate holder, and does not replace declarations. Because it is evidence only, this is correct. Next question. Identify the term for transferring risk to a larger entity, like an insurance company. Is it A, risk transfer? Or B, risk avoidance? C, risk retention? Or D, risk reduction? The answer is A. Risk transfer is the term for shifting the financial consequences of a potential loss to a larger entity, such as an insurance company through a policy, where the insurer assumes the risk in exchange for premiums. Risk avoidance eliminates the risk entirely. Risk retention means keeping the risk. Risk reduction lessens the likelihood or severity. Because insurance transfers risk to the insurer, this is correct. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell us how many you scored out of 6 in the comments, and let me know what topic I should post next. Bye.